This SEDY 18-piece oil funnel set gives you a dedicated adapter for nearly every common make, so it works seamlessly across a wide variety of cars and light trucks in the same garage. The large capacity funnel and snug fitting adapters create a solid, leak-resistant connection that keeps oil from running down the valve cover or onto the floor. Color-coded adapters and clearly shaped fittings make it easy to grab the right piece quickly, which is especially helpful if you service multiple brands regularly. The included magnetic trays keep the adapters and hooks parked in one place on your toolbox or lift, so pieces are far less likely to wander off between oil changes. A hands-free design that locks the funnel in place lets you step away to grab filters or tools while the oil drains into the engine, saving time and reducing hassle. Heat and chemical-resistant construction holds up well to repeated use with hot engine oil and common shop fluids, so the set feels like a long-term addition rather than a disposable gadget.